Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solana, SHIB, Doge, and Avalanche in that order. First, we're going to start here on the Bitcoin chart. Each candle represents one day. This is the daily chart. And if you guys go to indicator templates, this is called the MAEXP ribbon chart. We've been looking at this chart for a while. We're still trying to see if we can test this 20, but we're thinking about coming down a little bit lower here first. I had this area marked that at 28.14 to 27.83, but I started looking at another fib, guys, because we had a low here. That I'm thinking that we're going to take this high and get this low if we do close under, I would say about 29,250 area. If we close the next half hour under there, which we're pretty close to it, then I could see this move testing to the downside. Of course, we'll have to see how the futures open up. We are actually getting a little bit of a pop here. Let's see, from 28,800. So we are seeing a little fight right now. So let's see if this holds up. But we're going to take a fib. And guys, this is just a 618 fib. I'm going to show you guys. First, I'm going to show you a couple different things here in a minute. But first, we're going to take this fib. And I believe we're going to go from here to here. Where would that be? Well, that lines up. Well, that lines up at the 27,600 area. I kind of like that area. 27,678. Very interesting. I also want to see something here too as well. No, you know what, guys? I like this area right here on the fib. It's a nice area actually, because if we go, yeah, that is a nice area. That's right on point. 27,678 area. Or we could bounce within this fib, but which is 28,140 to 27,832. I think we're going to get a bounce and then maybe that pop to fill the gap. Could we go just straight lower and go all the way down to these lower levels down here? Yeah, that could be a possibility. But I want to show you guys something about the fibs too. Right now, what are we looking at the daily? We're looking at some bearish divergence right here, which has now been confirmed. We got some downside, maybe some momentum going to the upside. That's not confirmed yet. There's not a lot of confirmation right here yet. We're just going to have to see how this thing closes, guys. I'm trying to watch a hockey game and also watching a little bit of basketball. So I'm kind of just into things tonight. So I wanted to get this out as quick as I could. But yeah, right now I'm kind of just seeing those spots to the downside, especially if we get that close. Now, there was something else. Wasn't there an M pattern here developing? Let's see. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Let's see if this matches up with anything we got going on here. Bring this down right here. I mean, that comes in, guys, that comes in right around the 618 too for a target. I mean, that's so. Yeah, that 27,600 area. Well, I'd say 670 area, or even six anywhere from that 600 and 27,600 to 700 area, 27,700 area. That's where I'd be looking for some kind of bounce, maybe. Now, if we get some kind of higher term time frame closing under that area, could we come down here and test this 26? Yeah, that could be a possibility. If we get some kind of higher term time frame closing under there. But right now, that's where I'd be looking for a short term bounce. If, like I said, everything happens the way we think it's going to happen. This is very interesting. This is very interesting. Could we make another move to the downside? We're going to have to play this chart, guys, just day by day. This is a day by day right now. This is very this is a tricky one because you're not seeing much on the indicators that are showing just kind of sideways. Sideways movement like we've been talking about. Look, we talked about trading sideways this whole time. Just rage trading. That's all we've been doing. Okay. And if you look at my fib here, guys, look at this. We hit my fib target perfect. Look, I said anywhere in between this box, the 3,900 to 3,300, and we got right in between it at 3,636. Now, if we would have took a fib from here to here, I think this one was it, right? No, I think it was. No, yeah, was it here? Let's see. Was it here? No, that wasn't it. Where was it? Right here. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Right here. Bottom of this, all the way up to the top of this move. Oh no, I'm sorry. It was this high. What am I doing, guys? I'm sorry. I'm out. I'm out of it tonight, guys. I apologize. Look at that. Look where this comes in. Perfect. I don't know if I can zoom in here, but it matches our 618 here. So yeah, I mean, we pretty much, it actually looks like it hit right. Well, it came closer to the 0.5. So, but that's all it is, guys. It's 618. That's what we're looking at with these fibs. Um, yeah, so I'm looking at downside here, guys. Let's look at the short term. I haven't even looked at the short term. Let's do that. Mm, mm, mm. Well, things are kind of low. Yeah, I'm seeing more downside. And look at this. We got rejected right. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Right at my box. I had this box right here, which I don't know what happened to my line, but we had this box right here. Got rejected perfect. Fell through our trend, guys. We drew this trend up yesterday. Got up here in our zone. Got rejected. Okay. So, yeah, there's probably some more downside on the horizon. Ethereum. This is what I want to show. Look at this. I want to show you guys this real quick. This is what I was looking at, I think. Was it here? Let's look. Was it here? Lock on. No, that wasn't it. No, that wasn't it either. Oh, I know what I did. That's what it was. Took it from this low. Where was I seeing that perfect? Where? Oh, maybe I had to zoom out some. Hold on, guys. Bear with me. There was something on here that caught my eyeball on the fib. And I just don't know why, because I had it on here perfect. No, this was it right here. So you can see how this kind of lines up with that 618. That's not what I wanted to show you, though. Trying to figure out. All right, so we're holding this box. We drew our box up yesterday, guys, in yesterday's video of it coming down into this box. And that's where we are right now at that in this range, right? We talked about maybe a possible bounce in this range, but let's see if we can find anything on the 4-hour that is eye-popping. Not really. Trying to see if anything short term. I mean, things are kind of low, but we are breaking some of my trends here. This is going up on the 1-hour. I believe I drew a trend on this. It's also breaking on my 4-hour. Yeah, you can see where it broke, and look at that. That is a thing of beauty right there. We drew up the trend, boom, boom, boom. As soon as it broke, bang, down to the downside. Just technical analysis at its best. It does look like we're getting some bullish divergence here on the 1-hour, but we're also turning down where we could see some hidden bearish divergence right here. So this is, guys, this is a mixed chart I'm seeing right here. This is we're in no man's land right now. Okay, we got to wait for some kind of defined move here on the daily. Let's go to the daily. We got to see how these dailies close. We got to see how Bitcoin mainly closes. Okay, really to see where we're going with Ethereum. Because guys, I'll be honest with you. Right now, I wish I could have done this video later, but I had to get this out there to you because right now I really don't have an idea where this thing is going. Oh, that's what it was right there. Look. So we took the high and to this low, and we did it right here. Look, the 618, guys, right here. That's what it was. I don't know why I was struggling with that, but yeah, that's where we hit our 618 for this high right here, which I should have had. I had this area yesterday, but we didn't have this. We should have had that. I believe because the low wasn't in yet. Well, no, it wasn't. It came down and wicked. Or actually, no, it wasn't. Was it? Let me see what happens if I bring that up because that doesn't make sense. So let's try this one more time. Let's go here and let's bring it to the beginning. That's what it was right here. So the previous day's low, it lines up perfect with the 618 right here. That's what I was looking for, guys. Right there. What is going on here? Come on, TradingView. Right here. Look at that. Boom. There's the 618. Look at the high of the day, literally to the almost to the penny. Look at that. 2087, 2087, 618, perfect. We just took it from there to there. Okay. And this has been holding up really nice. So how can we find a move to the bottom? Well, we don't want to do that, do we? We want to go like this. We want to bottom fish, don't we? So we want to bring something up. Let's see here. Pretty much within our golden fib here, maybe down to this level right here, coming in right around 1847. Okay, so maybe a dip down to there. We also got our mid-range fib right there. So that's why I'd be looking for a downside target. If we do decide to break down, especially under 1900, that was where my first go-to would be, and then maybe this 1783. Okay. Matic. Let's go to Matic, guys. What do we got for Matic? And then I want to get back to these games here I'm watching. Matic, look at that, guys. Look how perfect. Look at the high. Boom! Perfect. Doesn't get any better than that. We called for 70 to 69.6. That's exactly. We said 70. That's exactly as we predicted. You like how we did that? And now we're at 64 at my white line. Well, we can go from there. Well, if this doesn't hold, this 64, then we're probably going to see the 61 to 58. To the upside, let's break that 70 and move up to that 75 level. Cardano, guys. Yeah, let's see what we got here. Well, we talked about just getting a solid candle closing. I don't care about this little wick up to 56. I want to see a solid candle closing above this 54.6 on a daily. Get a daily candle closing above there and then push up to 61. And that's where we could see a play there. For now, let's just see if 50 holds up. If 50 doesn't hold up, then we go all the way back to our fib, coming in at 48 to 43, and then the bottom target of that 38. Solana, guys, what do we got for Solana? Let's see. We had that 54. We had 55 on our fib. Got rejected at the 54.59. Let's see if that 58, we can get a move up to that 55 on a higher term time frame daily, and then maybe push up to that 58 and get back up to this area up here, coming in right around 66 to 72. Okay. To the downside, let's see if the 47 holds up. If not, then I'd be looking at the 42. Shib Army, Shib Nation. We crushed this one. Look at this, guys. Yesterday's video. Come on, guys. I said we get past here. Boom! We're going to the upside, even on a 4-hour or a higher term, or maybe even a 6 would do it. We got up there and crushed it. Look at that move, guys. That was a thing of beauty. Can't get any better than that. We were down here. Boom, boom, boom. No, it was at least 10%. That was an awesome play, guys. Shib Army, Shib Nation, much love. Where can we go from here? Well, let's get a higher term time frame and close above this 12 so we can push up here and stay up here, okay, and get past that 13 mark. We can do that. Then we can push up to 13.5 to 14.37 To the downside, let's just see if that 1120 holds up. If not, a higher turn time frame under there, then we could see that 1077 and 1053. How much time do we have left? We still got some time. Dogecoin. Let's see what happened, guys. Boom! Hit my target perfect to the upside. Look at that. 881. We got 88.3. Come on, guys. Awesome. Killing it, crushing it. And ooh, just an awesome trade. That was a good one. To the downside, let's just see if this 8.14 holds up. If not, we're going to look at that 770 to 757 area. Avalanche, guys, just trading in our fib. 33.28, 33.28. Whichever breaks down first. If that area breaks down first, what can we look at? Let's see. I would actually, no, wait, we'd take this high. If that 28 breaks down, then I'd be looking for the 26 to the 24 area. Okay. And then of course, let's see if that 23 holds up, or 22 and a half holds up. All right. So that's what we're looking at, guys, for tonight's video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update, fill you in on what I'm looking at, what I'm seeing. Right now, we're kind of in no man's land. I do not like this daily candle. I do not like some of the things that we're looking at right now. Can the futures turn this thing around? Of course, guys. It's what it is, and we could get that closed in the next 10 minutes. It's only $100. We've seen Bitcoin jump up $100, what they really like to do, guys, is they like to scare you, and then in the last minute, I'm talking 60 seconds, they will bring this thing up a couple $100 just to clear that mark. So that is a possibility. I've seen it so many times, guys. They wait for the last second. It's a game they like to play. Maybe it's funny, but it is to some people, I guess. But I think that's it for tonight's video. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purpose only. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, hit the bell, hit the all, so you don't miss any of my videos. Much love to all you guys, and peace out.